The 2024 Tesla Model 3 Highland is a refreshed version of the popular electric sedan, featuring a revised design, improved interior, and more range. Here's a summary of its key features. Exterior: updated front and rear fascias with sleeker headlights and taillights, new wheel designs, lower drag coefficient for improved efficiency, available in a variety of colors, including midnight silver metallic, deep pearl white, red multicoat, and black. Interior: upgraded materials with a focus on quality and comfort. New 12.3-inch center touchscreen with improved interface. Yoke steering wheel, optional, heated and ventilated front seats. Panoramic sunroof, performance. Choice of rear-wheel drive or dual-motor all-wheel drive. Up to 358 miles of range for the rear-wheel drive model. Up to 330 miles of range for the dual-motor all-wheel drive model. 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in as fast as 4.2 seconds. Technology: autopilot driver assistance system with optional full self-driving capability. Tesla Theater onboard entertainment system, over-the-air software updates. Price: starting at $46,990 for the rear-wheel drive model, starting at $54,990 for the dual-motor all-wheel drive model. The new center touchscreen is larger and brighter than the previous model, and it has a new interface that is easier to use. The yoke steering wheel is a controversial option, but some drivers find it to be more comfortable and stylish than a traditional steering wheel. Autopilot is a standard feature on all Model 3s, and it includes features such as lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control. Full self-driving capability is an optional upgrade that adds features such as lane changing and parking assistance. The Tesla Theater onboard entertainment system includes a variety of streaming services, games, and other apps. Over-the-air software updates allow Tesla to improve the Model 3's